How to slow down any video with your iPhone. For that you need to open your iMovie. If you don't have iMovie, simply go to your App Store and download iMovie. It's a default iPhone apps. Once done, press on open. Now press on continue. Now press on movie. Now select your video that you want to slow down, for example this one, and press on create a movie. Now this is your video. Now select your video, then you can see this icon. Press on this icon. Now if you like that, then it will be fast, and if you select this one, it will be slow down. Let's check. Now if you, then it's slow down. And once video done, just press on done, and you can see this icon. Press on this icon, export project or save or share. I am selecting save and share. Now select your save file. Now exporting. You have to wait couple of seconds. Now you have to go your library, open your library, then you can see your video is slowed down. So this is how you can easily do it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.